So good day. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to start a new project using the empty activity in Android Studio. So first up, uh, to create a new project or a new project using the empty activity, let's click the toolbar, click new, and click new project. Then sample templates will appear. Let's just focus on the empty activity. After clicking it, click next, then the configuration tab will appear. For the name section, it depends on the user if they want to change the name. So for my project, I will name it using my surname, and I will retain the package name and the location and the SDK, as well as the language, which is the Kotlin. So it depends on the user if they want to retain this configuration. So after the configuration of your activity, click finish, then just wait for a little bit. So that's all. You have now or we have now a new project using the empty activity. So I hope you learn something from this video.